Good day, ma'am and sir. I express interest in applying for the domestic helper position at your household. My name is Maricel Lutao. I'm 39 years old, a solo parent, and I have daughter aged 15 years old. I'm a high school graduate living in Pambuhan, Northern Samar, Philippines. Ma'am and sir, I have experience as a domestic helper working abroad in two countries. First, one was in Qatar, which I served for 2 years with a family of three, husband and wife, and one child aged up to 2 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing, and ironing the clothes. The second was in Hong Kong for 2 years in a Chinese family. I served three members of the family, three adults. I managed to do all around house chores such as cooking, ironing, cleaning, laundry, car washing, taking care of two dogs. My previous employer was also in Hong Kong for 1 year in Chinese family. I served four members of the family, husband and wife, and two children aged 14 and 8 years old. I managed also to do all around house chores, hacks, cooking, marketing, ironing, cleaning, laundry, car washing, and taking care of one dog. I will be honored to join your family and help manage the daily household duties. Thank you, ma'am and sir.